Welcome to English Grammar Quiz Challenge. Total question 10. You have 5 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin the test. She is. Then her brother. A. Tall. B. Taller. C. Tallest. D. Most tall. Answer. B. Taller. He drove. To avoid an accident. A. Careful. B. Carefully. C. Care. D. Caring. Answer. B. Carefully. This is the day of my life. A. Happier. B. Happiest. C. Most happy. D. More happier. Answer. B. Happiest. She sings. Then her sister. A. Good. B. Better. C. Best. D. More good. Answer. B. Better. The exam was difficult. A. Too. B. Very. C. Much. D. So. Answer. B. Very. The teacher gave the assignments to John and A. Me. B. I. C. Myself. D. Mine. Answer. A. Me. Each of the girls has done homework. A. Her. B. Their. C. Hers. D. She. Answer. A. Her. This book is not yours. A. Mine. B. My. C. Me. D. Myself. Answer. A. Mine. Nobody raised hand to answer the question. A. Their. B. His. C. Her. D. His or her. Answer. D. His or her. Are going to the party tonight. A. Who. B. Whom. C. Whose. D. Which. Answer. A. Who.